Christy J for better home, family, and society. The home with Christy J, inspire, motivate, and inculcate her members for positivity. Festus Christiana, Idioma, saying welcome for making it here.
The Habanero pepper. This pepper is not just an ordinary pepper because it is very spicy. I tried to plant and nurture this plant in my own balcony, as you can see from this clip here. And I have harvested this particular one for more than 3 times now. One beautiful thing about this plant is that it produces in mass quantity. This one is just the one I planted at my balcony. Talk more of when I plant it in the farm where it will have more space to produce more. This is just a way to encourage every household to try and plant or grow their own crops, no matter how little their space may be. You don't have to buy everything at the market. At least you are very sure of what you are consuming in your system. Again, do you know that when you consume habanero pepper, it lowers your cholesterol, reduces your blood pressure, and fight against weight gain? Yes, so growing your own vegetables, fruits, herbs, and so on is very good if you have the opportunity and space. At least you will be very sure of the quick access to fresh, nutritious food and spices at home. Also, the ability for you to nurture your own plants from seed to harvest provide a rewarding sense of achievement and pride for you. Let me stop here for now. I will see you on my next video. Bye bye.